Hi, my name is Kashara Majette, and this is my grant proposal. I confess my deepest apologies for the mishaps you had accessing my previous video. Hopefully this one finds you a lot better. So as I said, my name is Kashara Majette, and this is my grant proposal. The research question that I decided on for my grant proposal is, what are the effects of international security on that of global governance? International security, it is simply described as the measures the states will take to ensure the protection of international organizations. For example, organizations such as the United Nations, the European Union, as well as many others, to ensure that these organizations are safe and to ensure sustainability. Global governance, however, is a necessary order that comes from the idea of institutions, processes, form agreements, as well as informal mechanisms. Global governance also includes norms that help to regulate the actions for a common good. Through this analysis, I plan to understand what the consequences of international security would be on the outcomes of global governance. Hypothetically, I believe that international security as well as global governance will play closely together, making room for little to no consequences concerning the pairing of the two. I believe that with national security being loosely described as the protection of international organizations amongst states, and global governance being an order that helps to regulate actions for a common good, it seems that both processes have common goals, which is why I believe that unification of the two would be successful and less consequential. The research design will be mixed with regressive analysis, which further explores what variables will have influence on the analysis, as well as mixed method approach that combines both qualitative and quantitative elements of this analysis. The goal of this analysis is to expand the academia surrounding this growing and developing topic by heavily relying on mixed method approaches as well as regressive analysis. I will also perform a chi-square analysis test, which simply denotes statistical methods and assess the comparison between observed values and results that are theoretically expected. Some challenges that may interfere in this study would be the many contributors that approach this topic with personal conceptions and ideologies that refuse to expound upon the deeper studies of comparison between both global governance and international security, which has acted in attempts to divide both national security and global governance. Lastly, the benefits and values of this analysis will be the expansion surrounding the development of this academia, by providing more in-depth discussions concerning the evolution of global governance and international security, while also improving the studies of methodologies so that the studies can be furthered and implemented in future comparative studies. As I said before, my name is Kashara Majette, and this has been my grant proposal. And as I said before, I hope that this finds you a lot easier than the last one. Thank you.